Hi, I'm Katrina, I'm head of Norris.
Hi, I'm Ebba, I'm deputy head of Norris, and we're going to be showing you around Norris.
This is just the entrance, and you can see just the history of the house and previous heads and deputy heads of house.
And up here we have some of the Norris house photos that you can see all the way from 1997.
You can really see how hairstyles have changed since then.
Now we're coming to the main corridor of Norris. We have the board where you can kind of see everything that's going on in the week and any events.
So we're going into house study right now. So this is where we have house orders and just a nice place to hang out. We have a lot of games and
we have
a new nice sign.
We
if you didn't know where we were.
Treats here as well, and Friday cheese night. So yeah.
And if you couldn't tell, we're green. And we're walking into Mr. Agri's office. Hi, Mr. Agri. This is our HM.
Good,
Good.
you.
He is a Liverpool fan. Don't tell over there. Yes.
And you can kind of come here if you just want to talk to Mr. Agri or just want to chill and hang out.
There's a couch here for that exact reason. We're now walking into the upper fifth study room. So you can see on the whiteboards, I guess they've been revising PNR and geography. So this is just a place for people to revise, get ready for those upcoming exams.
The laundry room on our left. Hello! And we have the kitchen here. One of the kitchens. We have another one upstairs for the upper fifth and fifth, but this is downstairs kitchen. And you can just come here to relax with your friends.
We make food. And usually we make Tuesday treats here, so hot cross buns or hot chocolate. And this is the upper fifth area, so this is a cush.
We always used to watch Love Island here as a layer in Norris. TV here.
It's a nice place to chat as well.
I think something that's definitely very unique to Norris is the warmth and friendliness of the house. Whether it's the upper years when you come into Norris or even the house staff, I think there's a really strong sense of community. And as you can see on all the dorms, Miss Large, one of the old matrons, made hearts for everyone, which is really cute to Norris.
This is a really nice two-dorm. They have a nice study area as well here. So every room has obviously their own bed, closet, and then a desk here. So there's a really nice study space in this dorm in particular. What I really like about Norris that kind of sets it apart from other houses is Tuesday treats and Friday cheese night, which are just chances for other years to mingle and have fun with each other every week. And this is one of the dorms upstairs. So some dorms, they have a sink and obviously a really nice view outside. So this is another kitchen. So it has a really nice communal space to eat some food.
And you can see some of the Norris team here. So we have Mr. Agri and Miss Tyler and some of the matrons. So you can see who's around and on duty. I would say definitely make the most of how close Norris is to everything. Whether that's the dining hall, you can just quickly go and get yourself some breakfast on the way to prayers, or even your lessons. It's just a really nice location.
These are some of the toilets, so showers obviously and toilets and sinks.
And we have matrons office just in here, so if you ever have any questions
or you just want to hang out, I would just say keep an open mind and be ready to say yes to everything, because there's so many opportunities in Norris and in school in general to have a lot of fun. And I think just keep an open mind and you'll get a lot of opportunities to make the most out of your time here.
We have some funny photos from Norris up here. So
this is
Norris won house shout.
The upper fifth did Spice Girls and Norris won for the first time in a long time. And this is Mr. Agri, as I think this was Wario adjacent giant in Jack and the Beanstalk. Here we are back in house study.
Thank you so much for having us.
Hope to see you in Norris soon.